Good evening, guys. Welcome to Fintopia. I've decided to continue the video in English, so please bear with me. And in case if you want it in Hindi, do comment so I come to know. Let's start with the disclaimer. So, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This is a learning journey and my own journal, which I'm sharing with you guys with the purpose of learning from you guys. So, this is what it is. Let's look at how our strategies have performed today. Today, well, in Bank Nifty, we did very well. Yesterday itself, we have had a profit. Today, we are at around 2 lakhs. So, in total, if we look at this, yeah, we are at 6.86 lakhs profit, which is around 57% of our deployed capital, not the buffer included. Nifty earner, we are now in firmly green. Let's see overall. Yeah, 45k profit overall. Today we made around 75k. In Bank Nifty earner we have made 66k. In total, yeah, it's 1.36k lakhs which we have made, which is around 28% on our deployed capital. Right. Sensex sniper closed in green today, but overall I think we are negative minus 3,500. Sensex Sniper Conservative made some money today. Overall, yeah, we have halved. We have closed in green. That's good. Yeah. List based, not yet deployed. Let's see how do we do that. Right. And we will see. Let's look at our, as you guys are aware, Nifty Earner and Bank Nifty Earner are available on a marketplace, which you can deploy and monitor from here. Write AI trader over here. Go down, you will find Nifty earner and Bank Nifty earner. From here, click on view live trades, enable live watch, and it will reflect in your list, which you can monitor free of cost and want to deploy. So there is a fees which you can pay. But again, remember this, consult your financial advisor, show them a stats, and then only deploy. These strategies are relatively new, so I am also kind of not all in, but looking at them conservatively, and so far so good. I mean, they are good. India VIX fell again 4%, right? We are back to 13.33, which is very encouraging because it is taking a resistance from a particular level from which where it can go down. So we can see a good this thing. US VIX is still at 19, but S&P rose today. We will see how it performed, right? USD INR strengthened. A good news for us. It is going down, and now Kinda I think that it will come at least till here 93.4, which is good, and then there is some level of support over here. Nifty, as you guys see, that after making a long red candle yesterday, we have made a long green candle today, almost of the same size, but since it gapped down and rose, there is a 0 wick downstep. So I'm kind of positive in here, but still it has to cross this particular resistance, which is around 24. What is the high of this? 24,189. So that 200 zone, right? That is going to be kind of a resistance now, and it has to firmly break it so it can go here. There are a lot of resistances in this particular zone, but I somehow have a feeling that it will go down. But hey, my feeling counts for nothing. As you guys know, yesterday I was bullish. I made 3k, but if I was manually trading, I would have made a loss. So that's how it is. Bank Nifty is a superhero of today. It gapped, it kind of opened flat and broken all the resistances which we are looking at from a long time, right? Let's give it a good look. So it came down here. We had discussed that it can take support over here and go up. but I don't pretend to read the market. We follow the market, right? So that's how it is. And it can go up, right? It can go up because if IT is going down, Bank Nifty has to bear the kind of shoulder the weight of Nifty. Otherwise, everything will go for a toss, right? So that's how it is. Sensex similar close like Nifty, and now it is in a resistance and support zone, whatever you call it, right? It's very unclear. Things have gotten up from here, things have came down from here. So at least it is near the support zone. If you can see these candles over here, yeah, they have pushed the price up. So there is a chance the price can go up here, right? So that's how it is. Overall, Kinda positive. Crude oil is a good news. It has come down, right? See, it has come down. There is a good chance it can come down here, but that will be too optimistic. So let's take a breath and keep on monitoring. It can come down till here, I think. 6150, that particular zone, I would say, right? Unless it takes some support over here and consolidates or go up, something like that. BTC came 59. Good news, right? There is a chance that it may come to my buying level, which is here on a weekly. If we look at it, yeah, I think I'll bring some money for this and put at least my buying price over here. So if one fine day it comes down, make a wick, it gets triggered. But this is definitely a bear, this thing, but it is reaching a strong support zone on weekly, which starts from 56. Which starts from 56. On daily, there are multiple supports here, right? 53 is next support. It is at a support zone, but I have a feeling it will break down, but my feeling counts for nothing, as you guys know. ETH is a similar story, but ETH is closing near this and approaching the support zone, and then immediately after, yeah, significantly down, which is 1200 is the support zone. SP is coming down. So we have been discussing. So today SP tried to go up, but now it is coming down. So our shorts, if virtual shorts in our mind, which we have made, is in profit, right? Hopefully someday US India government allows us to trade in US market. These markets are really good to trade, right? Good money to be made here. Yeah, good money to be made here. Okay, let's look at Dixie. Dixie is going up. So yesterday we spoke about this particular candle. It is in a resistance zone. If this closes in red, then there is a hope. Otherwise, boss, 104. Yeah, this is a zone, make or break zone. Okay, a scary price movement. Banks have gone up contrary to our view yesterday of shorting it, but it is making a negative candle, right? It has gone up, it is coming down. Let's see how it fares. Natural gas rose today a little, but it is in a resistance zone, and this zone seems to be a strong one, right? The strength of 62 is a very strong resistance zone, right? So that's how it is. For a fun, I have added this SPCX, right? Elon Musk's dream, and it is making a support structure over here. How many days it is trading from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is 8th day it will trade. It is taking some kind of support from the opening price, right? Because big guys would have support. Big guys would support over here. But let's see. It's not very encouraging as of now. It can go either ways. So that's it. That is today's market, and we have seen one part I think we have missed today, which is our virtual strategies performance, right? Strategies which we are testing and not deployed live. Okay, my friend's strategy made money today, right? So it is in green. ETH is doing nothing because I don't know how to do it. Natural gas have widened its loss. As of now, it is in profit. Overall, if we see, yeah, it is in loss now, was overall. But there are some other profits I had removed and deployed back, but hardly it matters. Sensex Sniper Virtual One has made money, so we are in 29,000 profit. It's a good strategy, I think. I have a hope, but we will have to look at it in a longevity rather than the percent profit here. Let's see. Smart Directional is trading well. Okay, it has reduced its profit from when I checked in the day. It was around 1.3. Now I can see 1.1. Not 1, 1.1. It's 1. Sensex Sniper Sumba, yeah, it made some profit. Overall, if we look at it, has reduced the loss overall to 657 minus whatever charges we would have paid for that. Smart Directional made money, right? So it is at 29k profit. Our option buying strategy have also made money. Alright, let's see how it performs. This did nothing. Nifty Sniper made some money. Overall, it has made money. So overall, a good day, green day, right? And win for our algos, all of the algos, because manually I would have at least nothing, and no way flipped in a way that my algos have flipped, right? I would have taken time first in belief, then FOMO, and all other steps, right? A trader's curse kind of a thing. But overall, I think strategies have performed well. We have made money. We need a good trend, yeah. There is no trend. It's just jumping around, jumping around, jumping around, jumping around. It needs to take some trend. Here also it jumped around. We made a good profit here, right, on live, but those strategies I have changed a little bit because of this jumping, which I should have not. That was a learning, right? So consistency is the mother of all profits. Remember this. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Have a great evening ahead. Bye bye.